Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's Garp Investor, and today, I'm super excited to share with you the weekly update of my dividend portfolio. If you're into investing, building passive income, or just love the idea of growing wealth through dividends, this video is for you. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Alright, let's get started with the portfolio overview. As of now, the total market value of my dividend portfolio stands at $36,794. Next up, let's talk dividends. My portfolio generates an annual dividend income of $2,432, which gives me a monthly dividend income of about $202.70. That's money working for me while I sleep. Pretty awesome, right? My dividend yield is currently at 6.61%, which is quite healthy for a dividend-focused portfolio. Since starting this journey, I've received a total of $28.66 in dividends. It may seem small now, but remember, we're playing the long game here. Compound growth will take this to the next level. Let's talk gains and losses. My total gain/loss is currently at $579. Yes, it's in the red, but this is completely normal when building a portfolio, especially with the recent market fluctuations. Patience is key, folks. On the brighter side, this week alone, my portfolio gained $405.60, so we're moving in the right direction. Here's a quick snapshot of how my portfolio is allocated across various assets. You can see that I have a well-diversified mix of ETFs, each playing a specific role in my overall strategy. Let's break it down. My biggest allocation, at 21.28%, is in the exact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, valued at $7,831. This fund alone contributes $384.40 to my annual dividend income. Next, we have a few high-quality JP Morgan ETFs, including JPM Global Equity Premium Income at $6,600, generating $463 annually. JPM US Equity Premium Income and JPM Nasdaq Equity Premium Income are almost equally weighted, bringing in $497 and $665 respectively. Lastly, we have Invesco Euro Stoxx High Dividend Low Volatility ETF and Fidelity Europe Quality Income ETF, adding some European exposure to the mix. Now, let's talk about this week's highlights. I received $28.66 in dividends from EHDV, which was paid out on December 20, 2024. It's always exciting to see those dividends roll in. Additionally, I made a new purchase this week. I added 5 shares of JPM Nasdaq Equity Premium Income, which added up to a cost of $128.63 as of January 3, 2025. This brings me closer to my goal of increasing my monthly cash flow. That's it for this week's update. I hope you found value in seeing how I'm managing and growing my dividend portfolio. If you're on a similar journey or thinking about starting one, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's update. Until next time, keep investing and let your money work for you. Happy compounding!